హాయ్ అండి, అందరూ బాగున్నారనుకుంటున్నాను. మనం ఫిజిక్స్లో ఇంతకుముందు ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ సెకండ్ లెసన్స్కి ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూసాము. ఇవాళ దానికి కంటిన్యూషన్గా వీడియో చేద్దామని. థర్డ్ లెసన్ రిఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఎట్ ప్లేన్ సర్ఫేసెస్. ముందు 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్. వై ఈజ్ ఇట్ డిఫికల్ట్ టు స్కూల్ ఏ ఫిష్ స్విమ్మింగ్ ఇన్ ద వాటర్? ఒకసారి, వై ఈజ్ ఇట్ డిఫికల్ట్ టు షూట్ ఏ ఫిష్ స్విమ్మింగ్ ఇన్ ద వాటర్. ఈరోజు ఆన్సర్స్ కూడా చదువుతానండి కొద్దిగా. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టు షూట్ ఏ ఫిష్ స్విమ్మింగ్ ఇన్ వాటర్ బికాస్ ఇట్స్ పొజిషన్ అపియర్స్ టు బి షిఫ్టెడ్ అప్ ఫ్రమ్ ఒరిజినల్ పొజిషన్ డ్యూ టు రిఫ్లెక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ దట్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ద రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్? Number 1, nature of material, the wavelength of incident light. Next, the speed of the light in a diamond is 1,24,000 km per second. Find the refractive index of a diamond if the speed of the light in air is 3 lakh km per second. So speed of the light in a diamond 1,24,000 km per second and speed of light in air 3 lakhs km per second. We have a formula. Refractive index of a diamond is equal to speed of the light in air by speed of the light in a diamond. And 3 lakhs by 1,24,000. If you divide it, you will get 2.1419. Approximate గా దాన్ని 2.42గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Refractive index of glass relative to water is 9/8. What is the refractive index of water relative to glass? Refractive index of a glass relative to water is 9/8. And that equal to speed of UZ in water by speed of in air. So refractive index of water relative to glass is equal to, so speed of the LIZ and light in air, speed of the light in water 8/9. Now observe the following table. Medium, water, crown glass. Refractive index 1.33 antandi 1.52. Which is the denser medium in water and crown glass? Explain. And crown glass is the denser medium antandi. Enduku? Reason. If the refractive index increases, then the speed of light decreases. Because of the refractive index, n is equal to speed of the light in vacuum by speed of the light in medium. N is directly proportional to the speed of the light in the medium. So crown glass is denser medium. Write the laws of refraction of light. First law, the incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal to interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Second law, during the refraction light follows Snell's law. N1 S sin I is equal to N2 sin R, or sin I by sin R is equal to constant. Why do stars appear twinkling? Stars appear twinkling due to multiple refractions of star light at different layers of air of different densities. The light undergoes all the way to reach our eye. If the refractive index of a glass is 3/2, then what is the speed of light in glass? Refractive index n is equal to 3/2 and C by V is equal to 3/2, and C is nothing but 3 into 10 power 8 by V is equal to 3/2. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే V is equal to 2 into ఇక 3 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది, 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. నెక్స్ట్, why the bending of light ray takes place during refraction? Answer, during refraction speed of light changes from one medium to another medium. So at interface bending of light ray takes place. What is the use of refractive index of light? Refractive index gives the idea of how fast or how slow the light travels in a medium. Now 2 marks questions andi. What is refraction of light? Write any 2 examples. When light rays from one medium to another medium, they change their direction at interface. This phenomenon is called refraction of light. Example 1, twinkling of stars. A stick appears bent and short when immersed in water. A lemon kept in a glass of water appears to be bigger than its size. How light ray moves when it enters from rarer medium to denser medium. ఇలా ఉంటుంది డయాగ్రామ్. If light ray enters from rarer medium to denser medium, then refracted ray moves towards the normal. How light ray moves when it enters from denser medium to rarer medium. ఇది ఇలా ఉంటుందండి. If light rays enters from denser medium to rarer medium, then refracted ray moves away from the normal. ఇందాకదేమో towards the normal, ఇది away from the normal. When we sit at a campfire, objects beyond the fire is seen swaying. Give the reason for it. From the campfire, heat is carried into the surrounding air by the process of convection. During this process, the density of surrounding air changes continuously, thus changes its refractive index slightly. This continuous change in the refraction index gives rise to continuous change in the angle of refraction. Due to this result, the object beyond the campfire is seen swaying. Next, by observing the following table, answer the following questions. Media, material, refractive index. Ice 1.31, water 1.33, benzene 1.5, carbon disulfide 1.63. In which material speed of light is high? In which material speed of light is low? In ice, speed of light is high antandi. Next, in carbon disulfide the speed of light is low antandi. So haiga unte takku chupistundi. Reason, if the refractive index increases, the speed of light decreases. Define absolute refractive index. What is the formula? Write the formula for refractive index. Absolute refractive index, the ratio of the speed of the light in vacuum to the speed of the light in that medium is defined as refractive index. Absolute refractive index is equal to speed of the light in vacuum by speed of the light in medium. Write the formula for relative refractive index. Relative refractive index is equal to refractive index of second medium by refractive index of first medium. Relative refractive index, so speed of light in first medium by speed of light in second medium. Define Snell's law. The ratio between the values of sine of angle of incidence and the angle of refraction for a given two optical media is constant. N1 sin A is equal to N2 sin R, and sin A by sin R equal to constant. Now 4 marks questions. The refractive index of some materials are given below. Material refractive index: coconut oil 1.445, crown glass 1.52, diamond 2.42, H2 gas 1.000132, water 1.33, and flint glass 1.65. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Which is optically denser than flint glass? Which is optically rarer than water? In which material the speed of light is more than the coconut oil? In which material the speed of the light is less than that of in crown glass? The first one andi, which is optically denser than flint glass ante diamond anta. Hydrogen, which is optically rarer than water ante hydrogen glass. In which material the speed of the light is more than coconut oil ante hydrogen gas and water. And in which material the speed of the light is less than that of crowning glass ante flint glass and diamond. Conduct an experiment which proves sin A by sin R is a constant. Explain the relationship between the angle of incidence and angle of refraction with an experiment. Aim, obtaining a relation between the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction. Materials required: a plank, white chalk, protractor, scale, small black painted plank, a semicircular glass, disc of thickness nearly by 2 cm, pencil, and laser light. Procedure: make a chart as shown in the figure. Place a semicircular glass disc so that diameter coincides with the line MM. Send a laser light along a line which makes a 15 degree with NN. Measure its corresponding angle of refraction by observing the light coming from outside the glass slab. Repeat the experiment with various values of angle of incidence, refraction, and note them in the table. So from the above table, we observe that sin A by sin R is a constant. Which of the following is Snell's law? N1 sin I is equal to sin R by N2, and N1 by N2 equal to sin R by sin I. and n2 by n1 is equal to sin r by sin I, n2 sin I equal to constant, n1 by n2 equal to sin r by sin I. A ray of light incident on a plane surface of reflective index root 3 at certain angle. It is found that the reflected and refracted rays are perpendicular to each other. Then the angle of incidence is, in the answer B and D, 60 degree. Which of the following absolute refractive index values is not possible? Root 2 minus 2 antandi. The angle of deviation produced by the glass slab is 0 degree. The refractive index of medium 1 relative to medium is 2 is 4 by 3. Then the refractive index of the medium 2 relative to medium 1 is 3 by 4 antandi. Twinkling of stars is due to atmosphere refraction. The characteristic of light are not altered by refraction frequency. When a pencil kept in half-mark questions and when a pencil kept a glass tumbled water with water seen from the side of the glass, it seems to be bent. What is the reason? Refraction. A coin is placed at a depth of 4 cm water. When seen from air, it appears to be at a depth of NW equal to 4 by 3. Find the answer. 16 by 9 square anukunta. If the speed of the light were the same in all the media, which of these processes is not possible? Reflection, refraction, dispersion, all the above. The answer is refraction. What is the unit of refractive index? No units antani, because I think it is ratio. The absolute refractive index of water and glass are 4 by 3 and 3 by 2 respectively. Then the relative refractive index of glass with respect to water is 8 by 9. A ray of light travels from a medium of refractive index n1 to medium to refractive index n2. If the angle of incidence I, the angle of refraction is r, then sin I by sin r n2 1. A ray of light passes from vacuum into medium and refraction index. If the angle of incidence is twice the angle of refraction, then the angle of incidence is 2 cos square cos inverse of n by 2. According to sign convention, the negative sign indicates a dash image, real and inverted image. A hunter wants to shoot a fish. The image which seems through clear water is to be aimed the same position of the fish, above the fish, below the fish, all below the fish. The refractive index of medium 1 relative to medium 2 is 4 by 3. The velocity of medium 2 is 9 by 4 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Which principle stated that the light selects the path which takes least time to travel? Fermat principle. When light ray travels from denser to rarer medium, the relation between R and I is R greater than I. A lemon kept in a glass water appears to be bigger in size. What is the phenomena involved in this refraction? What is the speed of light in vacuum or air? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. A bird is flying in air will appear to a fish inside the water as further away than its actual distance, closer than its actual distance. At the same plane, the bird does not appear to the fish further away than its actual distance. సో ఇది థర్డ్ లెసన్ అండి. సో దీని తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో ఇంకో లెసన్ చేద్దాము. కొద్దిగా వాళ్ళ ఆన్సర్ చదివినట్టున్నాను, చిన్నవి కదా అని చదివాను అనమాట. లెంతీ ఉంటే మాత్రం స్కిప్ చేస్తాను, జస్ట్ మీకు ఒకసారి రివిజన్ అయిన ఉంటుందని. థ్యాంక్ యూ.